Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Pixel EA. As always, before looking at any results, let us start by going through the MQL5 Marketplace page and see exactly what information the developer provides. One thing I need to point out immediately is that the marketplace information provided here does not explicitly confirm whether there is an MT4 listing, but of course we can see that this is the MT5 version. Okay, looking at the listing, the EA is developed by Artem Grishchenko and is currently priced at 99 US dollars. According to the description, this is the introductory price, with the developer stating that only a limited number of copies are available before the price increases to $299. The current version shown is 1.0. Moving through the description, the developer explains that Pixel is based on what they describe as pixel analysis and volatility balance. Now, beyond that, the page does not provide detailed information about the underlying entry or exit logic. So there is no reason to speculate on how those signals are generated internally. One feature that is clearly mentioned is that the EA does not use martingale or grid trading. The developer also states that every trade has its own stop loss and take profit. From a risk management perspective, that means trade exits are predefined rather than relying on averaging techniques that continuously add positions. Another interesting point on the marketplace page is the emphasis on simplicity. The developer mentions that there are no complicated settings and recommends using the EA on Euro USD and USD JPY. There is also a reference to downloadable settings files provided in the comment section, along with an offer to assist users with installation and account recommendations through Telegram. Now, let us move over to the backtesting section. When reviewing historical testing performance, I prefer focusing on how the EA behaved during the tested period rather than concentrating only on the final balance curve. Historical analysis is useful because it allows us to observe consistency, trade frequency, drawdown behavior, and overall stability throughout the testing period. So looking at the provided results here and the information, we can see that EU from 2017 to 2022 appeared to produce, a consistent growth, right? Fixed lot 0.01, and the USD JPY version shows there was quite a slow growth until the growth picked up pace, and overall they were both nice. They both yielded nice profits from the information provided. Okay, quite an interesting equity curve there. Let's head over to our strategy tester right now. Let's see how this EA performed in 2026. So we are testing the Pixel EA on Euro USD, which is one of the recommended pairs, and we're testing it on the H1 time frame. We are running the test from the beginning of the year, 1st January 2026 till date. That covers about 5.5 months of data. And for the delays, we're using the random delay and we're using every tick modeling. Okay, looking at the back tested results, we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was negative 19.54, and the total trades taken were 97, out of which only 40 were profitable. All right, and then I can also see that the largest profit was 6.53 and the largest loss was 7.7. Average profit was 6.01 and the average loss was 4.56. So this shows me that the risk to reward ratio It's not so bad. Okay, it's actually okay for those who are comfortable with 1:1 risk to reward ratio, even though this is probably a little bit above 1:1, maybe close to 1:1 or 1.2 or thereabouts. But the average profit is bigger than the average loss, even though the difference is not exactly that much, because this is literally close to $5 and this is just 6.01. All right. So it means that is a difference of about $1.05. Anyways, looking through the completed historical chart activity, we can see how positions were opened and closed, right, according to the EA's predefined rules. Now, since the marketplace page confirms that each trade uses its own stop loss and take profit, those trade management elements are an important part of understanding how the historical results were achieved. However, because the developer does not disclose the detailed trading logic behind the pixel analysis and volatility balance approach, it will be inappropriate to assume specific entry conditions or or market filters simply from the chart activity alone, right? So I am still going to recommend running longer term testing yourself so that you can gain a broader understanding of how the EA performs across different market environments. Now, testing additional periods can help reveal how sensitive the system may be to changing volatility, trend conditions, and overall market structure. But as always, historical backtest results should be viewed as historical analysis only. Future performance can vary significantly based on lot size selection, risk settings, broker execution, spreads, slippage, market conditions, and any optimization performed by the user. All right. Now, overall, the Pixel EA presents itself as a simplified, automated trading solution built around pixel analysis and volatility balance with predefined stop loss and take profit management, and without the use of martingale or grid techniques. As we look at the graph, I can see that the equity and growth curve, the equity and balance curve here seems pretty interesting, right? So at some point, the growth was a bit steady. Equity were, was majorly above the balance, meaning that there were quite a number of a length of time that they were running profits. And then at some point the equity curve started declining, right? But at the end of the day, it yielded in negative net profits of just a little compared to the initial deposit, right? But if you are interested in evaluating this expert advisor further, I would strongly suggest conducting your own testing and optimization before considering any live deployment. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.